Today, you're going to create a figurative language comic to teach other people about figurative language. So you should have already done the do now and watched a rap. From those, pick out 5 kinds of figurative language you're comfortable with. Similes, hyperboles, metaphors, alliteration, onomatopoeia, any of those, right? Pick them out. Think of an example. Then you're going to go to Pixton and you're going to create a new comic. You're going to call it Figurative Language. Create a panel. You're not telling a story here. Each panel is just about each type. You're going to have the definition, as you see in my example here. Hyperbole is an exaggeration. Then I picked an appropriate background for my example, and the girl is saying she is so old, she had a pet dinosaur when she was a kid, exaggerating the age of the woman, and I threw a dinosaur in the background. You're just going to create 5 panels, get your share code, and submit it. So for those of you that are, I don't remember quite how to use Pixton, you're going to go in, you're going to go to My Comics. You're going to go over here on the right and click New Comic. You're going to call your comic Figurative Language and click Continue. Let's say I've decided to do a simile saying that someone's growing like a tree. So I grab this background of the tree. I go into my characters. I, pick out someone, maybe this young lady here. And then I'm fine with the way she's dressed. All of that. I can come back over to my words. I'm going to have her say, "You are growing like a tree." I'm just going to have her speak it. I'm going to go back into characters. I want to if I hit characters again, I can add a character. So I'm going to add the person that's growing like a tree. So maybe I want to find a boy. Maybe this guy's growing like a tree. All right. I can go back into my words. And once I get into my words, I'm going to click Add Caption. I'm going to decide where I want it. Maybe I want it across the top. I'm going to say simile, a comparison using like or as. Click the check mark, and now that's done. Then I do my next panel and pick my next one and just keep going. When I'm all done, I click Done. Once I've made 5, on my comic, you'll see that I have this option to hit Share. If I click Share, up here again I have Share. And this is where, see my code is right here. I'll copy that, and now I'll be able to paste it into my assignment on Schoology. And that's all you're doing today. Show us ways to make different types of figurative language using any background and characters that you would like.